Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Officially declaring his candidacy for Manchester Southern on Sunday, People's National Party Senator Peter Bunting says he has left Manchester Central with runs on the board. He was addressing comrades at Hatfield Primary School in Manchester, where he said all that is left for Donovan Mitchell, the mayor of Mandeville, to do is to keep adding runs and finish the match. So, Peter Bunting say, you did think say me done, but me just a come. The man being business. My viewers and subscribers, the man mean business. So, then if you just do that and beat him because you now go so. PNP all the way. We need a change. You understand? We definitely need a change. And if you don't agree, you just put we need a change. We really do. We can't have Andrew Holness. Dear for another term. No. Andrew Holness need to go. Anyway, hear this. So my viewers and subscribers, I posted this young girl, age 15. Her name is Sasha Vial, and she has been missing. I did post her, and the thing is, she has returned back, which is a good thing, and I am really happy to know that she has returned back to her family. What me would like to know is, when you put out them something here and say, the pitney them missing, or the adult them missing, or whosoever missing, JCF, this are for uno. When you put them out so they're missing, and you have bloggers share it, and everybody else, we would like to know what them did there, what happened to them. Yeah, we would like to know what happened. Why them did go missing? You just come out and said Sasha Vial, who was reported missing on January the 16th, has returned home. We thank the public for their assistance. That's all? Just so? No, sir. I don't think that is right. I think so we have all right to know why she got missing. Where was she? You understand me? But this definitely is for the JCF, them guys. I don't tell me what I think, because if you just run out and I tell people, say, if you help with this, everybody has share. Now she returned back, which is a good thing. I am so happy that she returned back. But we not hear nothing. Well, hope everything is all right with her. But I think we have the public have a right to know what she did there. You understand? If I run, she did run where, or a man yard she did there, or she just go chill out somewhere. I do not know. You understand? So, just let we know, just be more professional and make we know what go on. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you can't tell me one thing if you don't agree with me. A man and a woman are in police custody following the seizure of a Taurus 9mm pistol, 2 magazines and 7 rounds of ammunition in Cambridge, St. James on Monday, January the 29th. The weapon and ammunition were seized during a joint police military operation about 6:30 a.m. During a search, the firearm magazines and ammunition were found under a mattress. So now hear all them something, my viewers and subscribers. No, sir. So, 2 in custody. Me just make you know what is really going on, and the police them actually seems like they're working. You understand? Every minute me hear so them a find millimeter and ammunition and 1 bag of something. So me have to give them props. All right. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says another $2 billion or 312 billion Jamaican dollar is to be invested in the country in the next few years. The investment deals were brokered by Minister Bartlett and his team on a recent trip to Madrid to meet officials of Inveratel, part of the Spanish Hotel Association. Minister Bartlett says massive hotel projects are in the pipeline for the parishes of Hanover and St. Anne's. I open to make sure so no have a hospital there so too. We need a hospital. And that's enough to think about. every time when you come to, you see, when I hear this, I figure, yeah, my viewers and subscribers, 2,312 billion Jamaican dollar. Hey, they head swell big. Them head swell, they not think about not a soul. They not think about the healthcare system. Remember, you know, Christopher Tufton come out and say, in healthcare system can cater for millions of people, for millions of tourism, basically. So how comes them a build up all these things, Spanish hotel and all them? Like, what really depend? What really depend? So you can cater for hotels, investment and this and that. Don't forget investment for invest in a hospital then. If that is the case, since as uno claims so you can't afford it, which you know you can't afford it because uno get one bag of money, how much millions, 400 millions, 1 billion, other day uno get 30 million. So where all of that the money there, Babs the Granger loan collect 30 million other day, where that there, where that gone, say for vulnerable people, where that there, we not hear nothing, she only take picture and that was it. We don't know where that the money there. And people are not fool around here. So how you know a cater for a build up and have investors are coming in and invest in all these things, resort, blah, blah, blah. What about the healthcare system? You understand? You have to think about the health, the people, them health first. You can't just think about wealth. Health come before wealth. So how comes you not think about wealth alone? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. If you don't really love and care for the Jamaican people, you would do better. But Edmund Barlett, you see him head? You see him head? He love money just like Andrew Holness. You know, say I think me always tell you now. You know, say him at the executive for the Integrity Oversight Committee. Okay. The Oversight Committee where Andrew Holness create because you know one if you know what galang Edmund Barlett is the executive for the Oversight Committee. Yes, so then can table everything over there. So basically, through Andrew Holness and the whole of them now and declare their asset and they know said time I catch up on them in create this oversight committee. Remember, you know, Andrew Holness create the cabinet policy where they call the gag order and don't forget come here drag on the memory. And then after that wasn't enough, so he come again and he create the oversight committee and put that one, Edmund Barlett, to be executive. Blouse and skirts. I can't understand. Me really can't understand. So that's why I tell you, say, man, Andrew Holness is the same. Them love money. 312 billion I go invest over the next few years. So we not hear nothing about the healthcare system. We not hear nothing. Remember, so these investors, them no business about nothing, you know. They don't go business about the wealth. Them come from the island. So uno know we live here. Uno fi step up on the game and make sure so the people and the place all right. Come on, man, for God's sake. But my viewers and subscribers, want to tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Come on, want to hear phone views on this. The Agriculture Minister Floyd Green is refuting claims that the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA has been distributing fertilizer to politicians from the governing GLP at the expense of those from the opposition PNP. The PNP say RADA has been compromised into assisting the Holness administration to use fertilizer distribution as the currency in a vote buying scheme ahead of local government elections. My viewers and subscribers, so you hear the one Floyd Green, she, Una hear her? Or tell me if una hear her real good, She say, I lie, the PNP, them a tell pan her. You can't believe that? The man say, I lie, PNP a tell. The man say, it is false, not go so. And that him say, you know, say PNP are wrongfully accused them, really. Remember say, we know, you know, as a number one liar. Remember, we no lie, you know. All in front of the public, you know, on stand up and tell BFS lie. Remember, say Andrew Holness and your teacher in a Floyd Green. We're not idiot around here, no brother. So when you come and go on like you want, go on like you don't want to use look big words and things on you can't trick nobody. But on refuting claims, on dismiss claims and all them rubbish there. And it falls. You two blouse and skirt lie. All when you get ratted will catch. You're dangerous, you know. Uno Jamaica Labour Party, I want dangerous set of people, you know, uno MP, uno me a chat. Dangerous. Oh, yes, a lie, brother. Of course, that uno do. Uno buy vote. What uno do? Uno buy vote. Uno buy, me I tell you. You see, this is something, you know, what Andrew Holness a do. Andrew Holness for resign, you know. The whole uno forget fire, you know, and the whole uno forgot prison. They must sit near prison work. The una taxpayer money when the country, all the healthcare system need to fix. The road them need to fix. Whole heap of things need to be done. And una taxpayer money and do all these things. A buy vote. Really, right now, this is why I say Andrew Holness him run when I call special meeting, with every parish. Remember, Andrew Holness never there do no campaigning, no meeting, and then after a sudden, because he know when he have up in his sleeve, he knows who could tell. We not even know one were really in that. Maybe a fertilizer, yes. It could be anything. It could be anything, my viewers and subscribers. Because I do not understand this man now as a PNP tell lie on them. What to this man here? Honest a liar and wicked, not terribly, I say, Andrew Holness, and we go to the extra mile. Me telling you that already. And we go to the extra mile for do anything for embarrass the PNP, for them look good. Me I tell you, Andrew Holness, listen, you say Andrew Holness? You say Andrew Holness? You look like a Siaga style in my pickup. You come like you no see wagwan and pray wagwan. This a man that means say he not give up, he not resign, he not step down, he not give up because him happy around the country. And that this a man that want to be president for the country. Them something is unacceptable. How can you have a MP? Flight Green we call himself MP, which is not even a man of integrity. Because the last time when a COVID time, he break the rules. You understand me? This a man should all pay a fine or go to jail like everybody else during the COVID time. Yeah, and this a man get away with it, keep big party and get away with it. Not even 1 cent him no pay. He not even going to jail to feel how it feel like everybody else when they break the law. This a man a Flight Green. You think so we forget me a drag on a memory. We not forget what you do. So we know say you're liar. You can't be trusted. So when you come out and run off your mouth, it don't make no sense. This is why I talk to my Jamaican people. If you want good, you knows if you run. You no bother be greedy and licky. And love people things. You have to cut that out. Because when you be like that, look, when you do that now, put Andrew Holness back. What do you think I got happen? We're going back to square one. We don't want that. We don't want that, my viewers and subscribers. So let's just do the right thing. Anyway, wanna just like up the video for me. Put it in the comment section. Make me know phone views on this. Put on honest opinion. You don't have to agree with me, but just let me know where phone headspace there. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.